Hi guys, welcome back to Cindy's Cooking. Today I'm going to show you what I prepared. So I prepared this silky chicken I've wanted to try for the longest time. I was first introduced by it by my friend's aunt who is Cambodian. My friend's Cambodian. I didn't try because I was too scared, and till this day I'm still scared. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, my friends, this is what the chicken actually looks like, and this is when the feathers are off. It looks really ugly, and whew, this one reminds me of somebody, definitely. First of all, I didn't even know what a black chicken was, a silver chicken was, because I don't think we even have that in Haiti. We don't. I've never seen it. It's not that we don't. I've never seen them, so I don't know. But this is it. It's frozen. It's literally black. Like, it's black. Yes. So I purchased it. It was frozen, so I let it thaw out, and then I prepared it. I prepared it very, basic. This was the first time in my life I've ever done anything basic, so yeah, bear with me. So I removed all the fats. It didn't have a lot of fats, like like the regular chicken has. So I guess maybe they cleaned it out, but I removed the butt because I'm not an ass eater, like unlike some people. But anyways, yes. So I removed whatever I felt like needed to be removed, and then I seasoned it because there wasn't really much to remove, to be honest with you. It was more like a bird. The size was like the size of a fowl chicken, but the meat is tender. Anyways, excuse the background noise because I'm actually at work. Don't tell anybody. Listen, that's what we do. Listen, hey, I gotta play this country like they're playing me. So I'm gonna do my stuff while I'm on the clock. Don't tell anybody though. So you guys, like I said, I prepared this very easily. This is a recipe just for fun. Well, it's not really a recipe, but this is just for fun. This is just me. I'm going to be making more videos like this of me trying out different things, like I said before. So this is just for fun. This is for pure entertainment. I hope you're being entertained by right now. Okay, so I just seasoned it regular with like okra chicken seasoning, and I didn't want to go too go hard on it because I wanted to be able to taste the actual chicken, the flavor, see how silky it is, if it's actually silky like it's called. Anyways, but yeah, just did a little bit of seasoning, not too much, just a little bit. And after that I marinated for overnight per usual because yeah, I marinated overnight. So hi. Hi. So that was annoying, but I'm about to start roasting my chicken. So I just wanted to show you a bad bitch. Oh hi. Hi. Yes, it's Cindy's cooking here. I'm about to start baking, roasting the chicken. I don't know how to act. I just did my hair. I just got my hair done. So this for the next few weeks, that's how I'm gonna be talking. Yeah, so I'm about to start. I'm gonna put it in the pan. So what I did is I greased the pan with some oil, and then I went and added my chicken in there. I'm going to bake it instead because I'm just really scared. And listen, the feet, I threw them out because there was no point. They were so skinny. They were so skinny. These legs, these guys with their legs that just always, that those guys when they wear shorts and it screams, I skip leg days every day of the week. So those were those chicken legs. Those were like literally chicken legs. Well, duh, they were, duh. What did I just say? Oh my god. But anyway, they were so skinny. I didn't like them. They were not skinny. So, yeah. So let's go ahead and bake that thing. Alright, she's tucked in. Now she's gonna enter the gates of hell. Alright, sweetie. I'll check on you again in like another, I don't know. Yes. Oh, hi. Okay, bye. Hi, you guys. Welcome back. So, guess what I'm trying today? So, I am trying the black chicken. I don't know if you can see it. Is it right here? Let me hold it. Let's see if I can get a thumbnail. It's moist. It's juicy. I made sure it wasn't dry, but this is it, you guys. Let me flip it over. This is the black chicken. Ooh. So I'm gonna try it. It's called Silkie Chicken. All right, so let's go ahead and try that piece of poultry. Let me taste. Let me lick my fingers. I'm scared to try it. I'm actually really scared to try it. Okay, okay. It looks funny. So we're gonna take a bite. Cheers. Let me take a little bit of pickles. Give it some hot sauce. Nala, you wanna try? Okay. I don't like it. I'm not made for that lifestyle. For that, I can't. I'm all set. Thank you very much. Bye.